This is a really quick video to show you how to place your order. So firstly, after you've been shared the link by the person that is signing you up, you are going to see a page like the one I'm showing you here. Now what you want to do is you want to confirm that you see the name of the person that has shared their link with you. So if it's me, you want to be seeing my name, Stella Jane Penn. If it's someone else, that is the name that you are wanting to see on the screen. And providing that it is, you then hit continue. And you'll then be presented with another screen, and it's a product screen. Now, products here, you'll have the option to scroll down, and this is just some of the amazing physical products we do too. I tend to cover this in separate videos. I don't tend to confuse it with the digital packs from the physical products. But if you want to add the products now, feel free to scroll through them, have a look, and if you want to add anything in, here is the place that you do that. If you don't want any, you don't have to select any. You just go and scroll right to the bottom and you hit continue. Then here you would select digital packs. It would take you to physical packs. Once again, hit digital packs. And this is the one here that you're wanting to select. So you'd scroll down until you see the one that I'm showing you right in the middle. And this one I've marked with a tick with the circle where it says $299.99. And this is to make it super quick, super simple for you. Okay. And this Digital Pro Live Pack, just very quickly, that you see right here, it's going to come with unlimited and full access to all of the live sessions and education. It comes with all of the tools, all of the scanners, access to the travel portal, the trading global ideas, the trading communities, and all of the exciting stuff like that. More is being added all of the time. All right, so from here, you want to go ahead, select this pack right here I'm showing you. Just ignore everything else for now at least, and select this pack. After you've done that, then hit continue once again, and then just fill out your information. It's super simple, it's easy to complete checkout. Okay, make sure everything that is showing and required is filled out in the boxes. Then you go to the agreements and then you pay. As soon as this is complete, then go back and let the person know that you're finished signing up and let them know that you're in. And then they'll get you plugged into the community and get you rocking and rolling straight away. I would just like to personally welcome you on board as well, and to congratulate you on taking the action needed for yourself today too. And I cannot wait to see your success. Talk to you soon, everybody.